last two websites have made me a little over $2,000 over a short period of time, and this is not a full-time job, alright? If you're someone that is serious about making good money over the internet, these 5 websites I'm going to talk about are websites you definitely need to know about. Website number 1 that I'm going to talk about is Revcom. Now, Revcom is a freelancing platform that allows people to actually come on here and make money with their free time. So what you do here is either you're transcribing or you're captioning content. Okay, so on Revcom there are lots of resources over here, but we are not interested in anything apart from the last part of this page where we have a freelancer site. So you hit on freelancers on their website Revcom, alright, the last part of the website, freelancers, and then you will see the details of Revcom, alright. The problem you may have if you are trying Revcom is it will not be available in your home country, possibly. But in this case I'm using a VPN. You can see from my extension, a free VPN for Chrome. Okay, the name of the VPN is VPN, okay, VEEPN. So by this VPN, it allows me to be able to register and become a freelancer. It takes less than an hour. So you're able to create a flexible work schedule for yourself by working part-time, working in your own hours on this platform called Revcom. Alright, you're able to choose from hundreds of jobs available, and then you get paid weekly via PayPal. Okay, so the job you do is transcriptioning and then captioning. These are 2 jobs available right now, and you can see the salary range per work that you do on this platform. So you make money in 3 easy steps. Take your quiz to demonstrate your skills. Okay, you need to first of all show them that yeah, you can do the job. Then you submit a sample that you have done yourself, and once it is approved, you are on your way to make good money. And if you're somebody that knows another foreign language apart from English, it means you have more privilege on this particular platform. These are some of the reviews from some of the participants or freelancers on this platform. While this platform is a great one, I must be sincere with you, they do not really accept a lot of people from third world countries. Alright, so platform number 2 that I want to talk to you about is one of my favorite platforms. Okay, I've made quite a good amount of money from this platform. You can see over here, that is QTube.com. Right, I make money from this platform in 2 different ways. Number 1, that is the simplest way I make money from this platform, is by reselling services on QTube. QTube is simply a platform that allows you to buy social media followers, YouTube subscribers, YouTube watch hours, views, TikTok followers, a whole lot of services, social media services. Alright, so if you look on QTube, let's assume that I want to place an order. Okay, I want to place an order on QTube. I will show you my account on QTube, how much I've accrued on the platform so far, okay, from QTube, and even the monies I've made outside of QTube with this QTube platform. Alright, so if you want to say buy YouTube subscribers, we go to YouTube subscribers, and then we're able to get YouTube subscribers, that is 1,000 subscribers for as little as $9. Alright, so I'm paying $9 getting 1,000 subscribers on QTube, and this is something that I can actually resell to people. I can charge people $40, $50 by giving them 1,000 subscribers. So that is a service I provide using QTube. So if you are somebody that wants to make money online, one of the smartest things you can do, register an account with QTube, and then you can just create your own flyer that will advertise. Tell people that you help provide following, you help provide subscribers, you help provide views. All of these things are services you can provide. So you take the money from these customers and then you come and buy them from QTube. You can build a brand around this particular business model. Now let's look on my dashboard. Aside that, we have the affiliate site. So if you are the type that you don't want to take people's money and come and spend it on QTube for them, what you can do is you can actually go ahead and refer them with a link. So you can see lifetime revenue here is $1,130.30. So I make a lot of commissions from here, and then I spend the commissions from our affiliate program on my orders for my customers as well. So this is a serious platform. $1,130 is the transactions that have actually taken place in my account on this platform, and I can refresh this page over and over again for you to see the transactions going on here. Alright, if you look at my recent orders, This is a website I use very actively. 27th of May, I placed an order. So it tells you that in a very short period ago, I actually used this platform. So this is one of my favorite platforms. I've done 82 orders on this website. So this is website number 2 if you are determined to make a good amount of money over the internet. Platform number 3 that I want us to talk about is UserTesting.com. Alright, so this platform basically allows you to come online, test mobile apps, websites, web applications, give your feedback to these developers, and then you get paid for your time. It's as simple as that. So when you visit their website, UserTesting.com, there is a button here, get paid to test. Alright, so boost your monthly income in your free time. Try the ultimate side hustle. It's easy, it is fast and simple. Share your perspective on products and experiences and make money online from the comfort of your home. So you have to enter your email and then agree to their terms of conditions, and then you apply. So when you apply, alright, the system will go through the review process and then they will approve the application for you to be able to get access to a ton of jobs or user testing jobs that you can actually partake in. And then when you go through the testing, okay, and then you share your insights or your perspectives about these particular platforms, products, apps, web apps, websites, then you can get paid for your time. Right, so there are any opportunities for you to actually partake in, like surveys. You can take surveys of these products, give feedbacks. You can also go into the recording test, okay, while you record with your own voice and sometimes even your own face to give a feedback on product. Right, and sometimes you also go into a live conversation with the product owners as well. When I talk about product, I mean the websites, the web apps, and the mobile applications. So there are lots of big brands, GoDaddy and all of the big brands are here. So you can actually get paid for your perspectives on products. So there are a lot of questions and answers here you can explore on your own, and then you can actually see how to get started with this platform. This is a very useful platform if you're the type that does not want to do so much work, but you want to actually start something on the internet for yourself. Platform number 4 we are going to look at is the Binance Learn and Earn. Alright, so if you go online and then you enter academy.binance.com, okay, the Binance Learn and Earn allows you to learn something about cryptocurrencies. The platform allows you to learn something about blockchain technology, and then you get paid in cryptocurrencies when you partake in these programs. So if you go to academy.binance.com, you're able to see the available programs, and this is also one of the easiest way, the laziest way to earn crypto. Actually convert them into cash. You don't have to do anything, just come and learn and then get paid. So there are a lot of programs over here, a lot of them. You can see different tabs, a lot of programs you can actually partake in and get paid while you are learning. So as it says here, earn free crypto through learning. Build your blockchain knowledge, complete quizzes, and earn free crypto. So that's the activity rules. You can check it out and you can filter to see ongoing activities that allows you to actually partake, to learn and then earn from this platform. Right, so that is platform number 4 in our list. Platform number 5 I want to talk to you about is Amazon Associates. I know you've heard a lot about Amazon Associates and how people make money off Amazon Associates. Now, Amazon Associates or Amazon Associates Central is basically a platform that allows you to promote products from the main Amazon.com platform. So it could be any kind of product. In my case, I was into the promotion of books, and if you look on my screen right now, you'll see that just about 11 hours ago, I got this payment right here from Amazon Associates. So all this list of websites I'm talking to you about are websites I have personally tried and then made some income from them. So this is not like a BS kind of list of websites you have to actually go through and waste your time. These are all websites that work really well. So this is just about 11 hours ago. I got it in the morning. Alright, so I will refresh this for you to know that this email actually came from Amazon and this is a payment from Amazon. So that is it over here. Okay, so you would see coming from Amazon Associate Program. Alright, so all they do is that you recommend products and then you earn commissions. It's as simple as that. In my case, I use the Amazon Kindle platform. I recommend books on the Amazon platform, and then I get paid commissions anytime somebody buy these books or they buy audiobooks. Alright, so the process for you to get started is simple, and it's free and it's instant. Once you register on this Amazon Central platform, instantly you get your referral URL, which you can use in your content that you're making. I am getting my direct referrals or the commission referrals from Facebook. So I have a Facebook page where I post books, I post all the content from Amazon, and I get paid anytime somebody from Facebook clicks my link to buy from Amazon. It's as simple as that. Alright, so sign up as the first step, recommend, that is the second step, and that is the third step. So once you sign up, you get access to all their products on Amazon.com. You recommend it with your link to those that you think are interested in buying these things, and then you earn up to 10% in associate commissions. So Amazon Associates Central, alright, is platform number 5 in our list of platforms you need to know about if you're serious about making money. The final platform on our list of platforms you need to know about if you're serious about making money over the internet is the Hostinger Affiliate Program. As you can see, this is my affiliate dashboard from the Hostinger Affiliate Program, and you can see the 40, 19, 22, 57, 19, 30, 35, all of the different amounts of commissions that are trickling in. But before I get into the Hostinger Affiliate Program, I want you to know that if you're interested about making money over the internet, or if you like content about making money online, please remember to subscribe to this channel and turn the bell notification so that you can get access to all of the videos I'll be dropping on this very channel. Alright, so you can see from the list here, this is a payout of a total of 1,038.42, okay, over the period. And this is not a full-time job. Okay, so there's been 18 conversions by far. 18 conversions. If I look at that of last year, you will see revenue for last year around $800 or so. Yes, so $865. Well, this is not a full-time job like I keep saying. It means this is an average of about $70 every single month, which simply is not bad because you don't have to put so much of work into this. So if you are somebody that is having a little knowledge in web design, this could be a good gig for you. If you have no knowledge in web design at all, I'll be doing videos on how you can actually register for the Hostinger Affiliate Program, okay, and then actually refer people to buy hosting from Hostinger, and then you get compensated, alright, anytime that you refer people to these programs. But even before we get to that, I want you to know that you don't really have to be a techie to sell hosting plans. If we look at platforms like Pinterest, alright, if we look at platforms like Pinterest, where people post images of web designs and then they're able to send other people onto affiliate programs of various web hosting companies. So all that we do is you simply go on Pinterest, create an account on Pinterest, and then start creating pins. Alright, I'll be doing full videos to talk about how you can set up a Pinterest, how you can create pins and refer people to actually make some good money from Hostinger with Pinterest. Alright, so people that go online basically looking for website design ideas, website design, screenshots and all of that, will see your post, will click on your post, will head to Hostinger, possibly buy hosting, and then you get compensated. It's as simple as that. So Hostinger's affiliate program is actually the number 6, my favorite of all the list of platforms you need to know about if you're serious about making some good money over the internet. Let me know if you have questions about all these platforms in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer every single one of them for you. Let me also know which of the platforms you want me to do an in-depth content on, and I'll be more than happy to do that as well for you. That will be all for today, and I will see you in the next one.